how to fix Temu app, no internet connection or no connection. So here's what we want to do. First, completely close the Temu application and then go to your App Store or Google Play Store. It's going to work the same way. I'm going to show you a few methods. So just search for Temu and then open up the application here. If it says update, you want to update the app itself. Now, once you have updated it, see if that works. Now, if it doesn't work, what we can do is go to our settings here on the iPhone and we're gonna search for offload and just click on offload unused apps. From here, we will find the Temu application. So just scroll down, find Temu, click on it, and then you wanna select offload app. And once we have offloaded the application, we will click on reinstall app. Now this is going to take a little bit of time, so I will pause and come back in a second to show you. Okay, never mind, it was fast. Okay, so that was the second method. And for the last one, what you can do is try switching your internet. So if you're using a Wi-Fi connection, try using mobile data instead. And if you're using mobile data, try switching to your Wi-Fi or to a Wi-Fi connection and see if that fixes the issue. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.